Hey guys, how's it going? It's your boy Gaza9919 here, and today we're going to be fitting some new side indicators to Norman. And these are really cool indicators because they're not like the normal indicators which just flash. They sort of go along if you ever saw like the Audi indicators or anything like that. It's like that but for the side of the car. Right then guys, so these are the indicators. And they are a hell of a lot better than the old ones. You've always got to go better than stock with modifications. You can't just go something that's just on the same part. Right, so as you can see, these are LEDs in here, and each section goes along one by one sort of thing, so it doesn't all just flash at once, it just goes sort of thing. Yeah, if you don't know what I'm talking about, you'll understand soon when it's actually on the car. If you want to do this yourself at home or anything, first of all, I got these off eBay. I forget what they're called. I'll chuck a link in description for them. But ideally you want some masking tape just to put over the screwdriver and then to pry off the indicator on the side, so because you don't want to scratch any paint or anything. And yes, that is a tip that I got off another YouTuber that I've been watching who did exactly the same. But if said YouTuber is watching this video, then don't worry, I'm not copying. I've wanted to do it for a while, and I just didn't have a clue where you could get these lights from until I watched your video. So yeah, thank you. Right guys, so I've just put that on there, a bit of masking tape, and then pried that in. Then this has come right out. And then I don't think there's any clips on here. It's just a case of unpulling this, but I may need two hands and to give it a bit of a wiggle. Right then guys, so you just got to pull the bulb out. And it just pulls out like that. And then this should in theory just slot in. Right then, so that is slotted in. So all I need to do now is just put them in. I think I'm going to have them going forward like that ideally, and I'll just do the other side. And now we're just going to try locking the car to see what it does. That is so cool. Try not to touch the bulb with your fingers and try and keep it just in case you do end up needing it in the future. So that's the old one out. And then I'm going to get the new one in again. But before we do push it in properly, we're going to need to put, just going to put it like that. Now we're just going to need to see which direction it goes. So I'll wind my window down so I can get to my hazard button. So there we go. So now we know we can secure that in properly. And with these, you want to put it this side in first, so the prongs dig in first, and then this side just sort of like slides into position. And there we go. That is in. Now if we put the hazards on, we will see. It's nice and flush. And if we look around all the indicators now, we've got all custom indicators. So there's the headlight ones, the rear light ones, and then obviously the other side. And there we have it guys. Right then guys, so that was the new side indicators for Norman, and a sort of how to if you sort of want to know how to do it. Obviously big thank you to Luke for helping me with a bit of the filming and that. But yeah, like to start off with, I got a bit bamboozled because when I like first took the connection off and I thought, hang on, this is just the case. Like I didn't realise until after. I was like, well, I need to remove the bulb, of course. It's one of those dumb moments. So, but I got over it, and we've got them fitted, and I think they look really cool. It's a really cool little addition, and they didn't cost much. I forget how much. I think it was like £13–14 for the pair, but still, didn't cost much at all. But yeah, like I say, that is it for this video, guys. And if you did enjoy it, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It really does help me out. And until the next time. guys, how's it going? It's your boy Gaz and 9919 here.